When most people think of frogs, they're thinking of those little green frogs that you see in the backyard, or maybe some of the larger, more colorful frogs from somewhere like the Amazon rainforest. But there are so many different types of frogs that you probably have never seen before. So here are 7 amazing frogs that you never knew existed. Number 1, glass frogs. There are about 200 species of glass frogs found in both the old world and the new, and their name comes from their see-through undersides, which allow you to see the internal organs shining through. This makes them masters of camouflage, especially since their backs come in a variety of colors that blend in with their surroundings. However, not all glass frogs have clear undersides. The exceptions are the only vertebrates on Earth whose bellies actually reflect their surroundings, allowing them to disappear into their environment. Number 2, mossy frogs. As their name suggests, mossy frogs are covered with moss-like skin that allows them to blend in perfectly with their treetop habitats. They have large protruding eyes with vertical pupils much like snakes, and their toes have rough pads that help them grip branches while their long sticky tongues dart out to catch insects. These frogs are also among the most colorful creatures in the animal kingdom. Number 3, red-eyed tree frogs. Red-eyed tree frogs are famous for their bright red eyes, which they use to startle predators. Their bodies are a beautiful lime green with hints of blue, and their see-through undersides make them almost invisible during the day. However, at night these frogs become very active, and they can be seen leaping gracefully from branch to branch in search of food. Number 4, walking frogs. Unlike most other frogs, walking frogs don't have webbed feet. Instead, they have long, slender toes that allow them to grip branches and walk across dry land without slipping. These frogs spend most of their time on land and only return to water to lay their eggs. Some species of walking frogs can even climb up trees to lay their eggs in the bromeliads that collect rainwater at their tips. Number 5, flying frogs. Although they can't actually fly, flying frogs are capable of gliding through the air for impressive distances. While they're not technically frogs, they're more closely related to tree frogs. When threatened, they jump from tree to tree and steer themselves through the air by spreading their limbs like a parachute. Some species can glide over 60 meters through the air, which is around 200 feet. Number 6, dumpy frogs. With their chubby bodies and short legs, dumpy frogs look more like little green jelly beans than actual frogs. They get their name from the fact that they have no discernible neck or head, and their bodies are just one big blob. Despite their somewhat unappealing appearance, dumpy frogs are actually quite graceful in the water, and they can swim at speeds of up to 8 body lengths per second. And number 7, pig frogs. Pig frogs are one of the rarest frogs in the world, and they are found only in the mountainous regions of the Philippines. As their name suggests, they look like little pigs with their upturned snouts and pink undersides. They also have small, beady eyes and stubby legs. Despite their somewhat unassuming appearance, pig frogs are actually quite vocal, and they make a loud, incessant croaking noise. So there you have it, 7 amazing frogs that you never knew existed. From the colorful mossy frog to the tiny pig frog, there's a lot more to frogs than meets the eye. What did you think? Which was the most amazing frog? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time.